Quunk, if your income stopped today, you would panic. Not tomorrow, not next week, immediately, because everything in your life depends on one fragile stream, one source, one paycheck. And the truth is, that's not security, that's exposure. You've been trained to believe it's normal, but it's not. It's the reason people work for years and still feel stuck. Money comes in, disappears, and nothing changes. Now imagine this instead. Income still coming in even when you're not working. That's not luck, that's structure. And today you're going to learn how to build that from absolutely nothing. You were never taught how money actually works. You were taught how to earn it, not how to control it. School trained you to depend, not to build. That's why most people only think in one direction. Job equals income. But income doesn't come from jobs, it comes from value. Once you understand that, your perspective shifts completely. You stop asking, where can I work? And start asking, what can I create? That question alone changes your future. Because now, instead of waiting for opportunities, you begin to create them. And that's where multiple income streams begin. Starting from scratch feels overwhelming because you're thinking too far ahead. Forget multiple streams for a moment. Focus on one skill, one opportunity, one way to create value. Look around you. People are paying for solutions every day. Writing, editing, design, content, marketing, simple digital tasks. Choose one path and commit. Not perfectly, but consistently. Skill is built through repetition, not thinking. The faster you act, the faster you learn. And once you can provide value, you unlock your first source of income. That's where everything begins. Most people stay stuck because they prepare forever and execute never. They wait until they feel ready. That moment never comes. The truth is, you don't need to be perfect to get paid. You need to be useful. Start offering your skill immediately. Reach out, apply, create opportunities. Your first income will not be big, but it will be powerful because it proves something most people never realize. You can create money, not wait for it. That shift changes everything. It builds confidence, momentum, and belief. And once you believe it's possible, you start moving differently. You make your first money, and then you lose it. Not because you have to, but because you don't think differently yet. This is the trap. Earning without strategy leads back to zero. If you want multiple income streams, you must reinvest. That means sacrificing short-term comfort for long-term growth. Use your money to improve your skills, expand your reach, and increase your opportunities. Every reinvestment is a multiplier. Every careless expense is a setback. The difference is discipline. This is where people either grow or stay stuck forever. Now you stop thinking like a worker and start thinking like a builder. Your second income stream should not require starting from zero again. It should grow from what you already built. If you have a skill, you can teach it, package it, or scale it. This is where leverage begins. Instead of trading time for money, you start creating systems that generate income repeatedly. It could be content, digital products, or services that expand beyond your time. This is how one stream becomes two, and two becomes stability. If your income depends entirely on your time, you're still limited. Systems remove that limitation. Systems allow money to flow without constant effort. This is how the rich operate. They build structures that continue working even when they're not. You can start small, automate simple tasks, create repeatable processes, build consistency. Over time, these systems grow stronger, and the stronger they become, the less dependent you are on effort alone. This is the shift from working for money to controlling how money moves. Growth is not about doing more randomly. It's about doing more of what works. Once your streams are stable, you scale intentionally, improve your value, reach more people, increase your pricing, expand your impact. Scaling requires focus, not chaos. Most people fail here because they chase too many things at once. Stay locked in, Build depth before expansion, because real growth comes from consistency, and consistency builds momentum. Once momentum starts, it becomes difficult to stop. The path is simple, but not easy. Most people fail because they lack patience. They expect results too quickly. They get distracted. They quit. Understand this. Building multiple income streams takes time, but time will pass anyway. The question is whether you use it or waste it. Stay focused. Avoid distractions. Don't chase shortcuts. Every small step compounds. And over time, those small steps create massive results. The difference between success and failure is not talent, it's consistency. At some point, something changes. You stop worrying about money the same way. You stop depending on one source. You gain control. And that control creates freedom, not overnight, but over time. This is what most people never experience because they never start. But you can, right now, from nothing, from where you are. The system is simple. Create value, build income, reinvest, expand, and repeat. That's how you go from one stream to many. And once you do, your life will never be the same again. If you want to take control of your finances and understand how money really works, subscribe to Capital Mechanics. Because here we break down the system behind money so you can finally control it.